See, sound is the mode of communication between two people in this world. Same manner, in the Vedas it is said, anavritti shabdat, it is said. The material world is started by sound, the material world is wound up by sound. So one sound expands the material world, another sound winds up the material world, it is said. So the material world has come about from the Nada Brahma, from the sound. Because sound is the subtlest of the material elements also. If you see earth, water, fire, air, ether, and in the same manner, the holy name which we chant every day, it's a subtlest spiritual sound, and if it is uttered with a proper attitude, the sound can wind up the material existence and take us back to Godhead. So there is a verse which says, Maya mugda jivarnahi swatta Krishna jnana atayeva kripaya koila Krishna Veda Puran. It is said, Krishna has given these Vedas, Puranas, everything. Why? See, the word is used, kripaya koila, it is said. Maya mugda means jiva covered by Maya. Maya mugda jivarnahi swatta Krishna jnana. His natural Krishna consciousness has become covered over. But taking mercy on the jiva, Krishna speaks out the sound vibration of the Vedas. So, how the Vedas came, that is explained in the Bhagavad Gita. Karma brahmodbhavam vidhi brahmakshara samudbhavam. It says that from the absolute truth, the Vedas were breathed out. When the Lord is exhaling and inhaling, millions of universes are created. We know that. But by Lord's exhaling, the Vedas are also created simultaneously. He creates the worlds, He creates the Vedas. Just like a school infrastructure is created, along with the teachers are also appointed, and the classrooms are set up, and the children are brought together, and through the sound vibration they are taught the subject. In the same manner, the Lord created the material world, and material world would be a blind and foolish and ignorant place if there is no knowledge there. Therefore, the Lord has given the Vedas also. So, by hearing the Vedas in Guru Parampara, the jiva can become enlightened. And the enlightened jiva is the one who calls out the holy name. Because when the jiva speaks to the Lord, then the Lord responds. Correct, no? For example, Brahma heard the word tapa. That is the Lord's sound. And after that he read the Kama Gayatri mantra. And then when his vision became clear, the Lord appeared. Then Brahma spoke. Offered many prayers. You will see that in the Srimad Bhagavatam. What all prayers Brahma offered. So first Lord speaks, and the jiva gets instruction from that. Then when jiva offers prayers, the Lord is pleased. The Lord gives instructions to jivas, and jiva executes the instruction. When jiva faces difficulty in executing the instructions and getting covered over, then the jiva speaks to Lord, seeking shelter and help. So in this way there is a continuous reciprocation between Lord and the jiva, which actually brings jiva out of the entanglement and takes jiva back home, back to Godhead. And after we go back to Godhead, one speaks to Lord with pure love. In our stage we cannot speak with pure love, but at least we have to know that when I am uttering the holy name, I am addressing the Lord. I am addressing Lord and His energy together, Hara and Krishna together. So, we can chant in the holy name daily as a mindless endeavor. That is one thing which many may do. But one is doing it as a conscious endeavor. That I am actually addressing the Lord and begging Lord for help, begging Lord for mercy, begging the Lord to clear up my mind and make me a pure devotee. With this conscious awareness, those who chant, then the reciprocation is much faster. Harinam Prabhu ki. Let's offer our humble obeisances and to all the Vaishnava devotees of the Lord who are just like this trees, ocean of mercy, full of compassion for the fallen conditioned souls. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhyev cha patitanam pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Ananta Koti Vaishnava Vrinda ki, Vaishnava Thakur Srila Prabhupada ki, Namacharya Haridas Thakur ki.